Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Got a question from Andrew Watson asking if it's possible to find eBay Australia's top selling items without purchasing any third-party software. So the answer, Andrew, is yes, it most certainly is possible, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you right now in this video. So here goes. Now, I'm going to be showing you multiple links, and some of these links are very long. So rather than put them on the screen where you've got to copy down a zillion letters and numbers and whatever, I've made a PDF download, which you can download right now for free. And it's got all these links on it. I'll put a link on the screen and also at the bottom where you can go to that PDF. Okay, the first link is to the eBay Australia top selling products. Here you can drill down into any category and see the top selling products. In this example, I clicked on the smartphones child category, which is in the electronics parent category. Also take note that eBay is continually sorting these categories on the left to show you the top selling categories at the top. So, at the time of shooting this video, smartphones is the top selling child category in the electronics category in Australia. Now, note, whatever country you're looking at, they're always different. So, just because electronics is the top of this country doesn't mean it's going to be the top in all the other countries. So, US, Canada, UK, etc., it's all different. So, eBay is continually moving them up and down based on sales. Now, again, Australia, the same with vacuums, which is currently the most popular child category in the home appliances parent category, again in Australia. You can also drill down into any of these categories to find the top selling products in each of the parent and child categories. Okay, the next link shows you what is trending on eBay Australia. Well, actually this link, you can choose whatever country you wish. So for this video, of course, I've chosen eBay Australia, but as you can see from the screenshot, there's a very long link. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, to make it easier for you, I put all the links in a free PDF, which you can download right now for free, and I'll put a link on the screen. Okay, this trending section of eBay shows the current top trending products. And again, you can drill down into each parent category and child category or child subcategory, so you can sort through them and just keep drilling down further and further and further. The next link shows you eBay's trending items, but in a different view. Now, notice with this link, you can remove the .com.au and interchange it with other countries. So, for instance, you can remove the .au, so it becomes ebay.com/trending to show the top US trending products. Now, the next link is to eBay's best sellers, and again you can select whichever country you wish, and you can also select what time frame, and also do you want to see the most viewed items or the most sold items. Now, for anybody who's new to the world of selling on eBay and Amazon, is watching this, there's a strong correlation between which items get the most views and which items get the most sales. Now, on average, the items which get the most views also get the most sales. And this leads to the next link, which is a free program called watchcount.com. Now, watchcount shows which categories and which items get the most views in any country, or any country which eBay operates in, and currently eBay's in 37 different countries around the planet. Now, in watchcount, you can research any category in any country to find the most watched items. And like I mentioned before, the items that get the most watches tend to always get the most sales. So that's all for this week. Wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave me a comment below. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.